If I should say something about him, I don't think I can ever finish it. A very jovial man, straightforward, to the point. He doesn't care whether he says the right thing and you are saying that, but he is very strict. If he sees black, it's going to be black. And he will say it is black. If it is white, he will say it is white. He will tell you this is the way you have to go, and you have to go it. And that is what I like about him. And he's a very, very friendly man, jovial. You know, I'm one of the wives. If you want to know that one, maybe you ask the men. But for Chief Otunba Odebiyi, the space is going to be very difficult to fill. Because he's been there since. He and my husband, they've been in the club for let's say, long time. And they are using this to promote Ekpe. It's not only within Ekpe. You go to Eredo, Ibeju, Lekki, Agbowa, and they are asking all their sons to come together so that they can uphold Ekpe division. Well, what can they do but to accept the will of God? He's gone. Chief Odebiyi came, he saw, and he conquered. He has left the mark there, and for them to follow it. And then they should cooperate. The children also, they should cooperate, because the man that normally give them advice is no more. They can't see him unless they sleep and sees him. So, and for Ekpe Club, well, they have to take heart and leave everything to God.